pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
apricot and walnut tea buns. For this you will need 225 grams, 8 ounces of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 100 grams, 4 ounces of butter diced, 100 grams, 4 ounces of a light soft brown sugar, 50 grams, 2 ounces dried apricots finely chopped, 25 grams of shelled walnuts finely chopped, that's an ounce, 1 large egg, that's a medium one, so all I've got left to do, and a well greased bun tin. Add the flour and cinnamon to a bowl. Good mix. Now rub in the butter. Until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Using a fork, stir in the brown sugar, the chopped apricots, and the chopped walnuts. Beat the egg and stir that in too. Divide the mixture equally into your prepared bun tins. It would be silly to divide them unequally, wouldn't it? Lightly rub up the surface with the back of a fork. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 6 for 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. They're okay. Bit too dry for me. You can taste the walnuts. I shall give them a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.
my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.